Hi, and welcome to the Improved Garage YouTube channel. Today I'm going to, well, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Just do it. It allows me to continue doing new things. Today I'm going to be talking about this. So I purchased a DAC, or digital to analog converter. It is a Schiit, S-C-H-I-I-T is the brand name. It's a Modi 3. This is a USB digital to analog converter. It's designed to connect to a computer. I'm thinking that it's going to be able to connect to my iPhone, so that's what I want to try it with. It's my iPhone. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and then I'll do a subsequent review video like I've been doing with all of this other audio equipment. This is something that I purchased for myself. Apple now has Apple Music, the lossless version, which is available on the iPhone, and the best way to make that work is with an external DAC. So this will allow me to try that out on my iPhone, and then also it's compatible with my computer, so I can try it with other things too. So Schiit seems to be very highly reviewed. So comes with stickers, built in Corpus Christi. Here's another logo sticker. Modi 3 digital to analog converter. So we'll kind of go over what it has, and it comes with a 2-year warranty. This came off of Amazon. If I remember right, it was like $150. Okay, it's $127 shipped to me with tax. So it's like $119 plus tax and shipping. $115, something like that. So here's the device itself. This is available in 2 different colors, black and silver. This is the black color. On the front, there is a switch that has 3 different selections. This is the input selector. So if it's in the bottom, it's a coaxial digital output. Oh, okay, so it's got a little circle icon. So the middle would be optical, and the top one is USB. Then on the back, we've got our outputs. So we have a right and left channel RCA output. So this is going to go out to our amplifier. This is our coaxial digital audio in, Toslink in, or our optical in. And then there's 2 USB connectors. Number 4, this one is USB data and power. So you plug that into a computer. This one is just USB power only. And you would need this if you were using it with the optical or with the coaxial digital audio. Let's see what else is in the box. Big box for a few things. So there is a USB to micro USB cable, which seems to be fairly high quality. It's pretty thick, and then there's also a USB charger. This is a 0.4 amp 5 volt USB charger. So this would only be used if you were using the optical or the coaxial digital. If you're going to be connecting it to a computer directly, you would just plug it into USB. So that's the device. That's what it looks like. I'll get it plugged in and get you guys a review. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.